guys, Gaming Tiger 456 here today with another video. This is my first one. How I organize my LPS. I'm getting some more in the summer and I'm gonna get a basket. Here's my favorite to least dog. Taco is in the back. That's like in the room because I had to put this new LPS. My new LPS are in the video. I'll show you that in the next video hopefully. And this thing can open, just telling you. Look. It's the new sets of the LPS. I buy some. I buy them because I like them. I don't really like them that much as the old ones, like those. Here's the ones that I don't have duplicates of, or any cats, or any spiders, or any monkeys, or any seals and stuff. I do have one cat, but this is a new version. Comes with the sugar sprinkle set. See, she kind of has like a hole. See, she's new. Yeah, my squirrel one's tail fell off. That's why I didn't want to put it in the video. It's a boy one. It's purple. If you see those, they comes with a garbage can and a banana on its head. Here's my little ladybug, spider. Yeah, I used my ring, but I just broke it to make it comfortable. Here's usually the one that I was gonna use, but yeah, so many people use them. I wanted to use a cat that's like never shown on the videos, a short-haired cat. I don't know if it's real or not, but it says LPS and it has like a Hasbro. These two are Dutch Hounds. This is Samantha, Savannah, Jake, DJ, Flower, Brownie, Splat, Lucas, and Taco that fell over. This is Brooke, Sealy, Rob, Spider, Spider, yeah, Sprinkle, and Jelly. I just call her Jelly because, yeah, I don't call her Jelly because she's like squishy. I used to have a Cocker Spaniel that was squish-headed, but it's still sponsored as an LPS. And it was purple. One was purple and one was tan, so I ended up can't find them. These are some of my accessories. These are my new ones, but I'm trying to keep it out. What's coming in my bag that I often use, and yeah. Here's my other stuff. This is how I organized my whole LPS collection. Bye!